Okay, the purpose of this video is to show my friends over in Hobby Talk what I'll be putting in my Moebius B-9 robot to handle the sound effects. The robot's relay clicks in the background will be handled by an MP3 player with a small power amplifier that I added to better control the levels of those background noises. For the voice, I'll be using two cards that I got from a Canadian website for primarily greeting cards. They're 15 bucks a piece, and you can load them up with as many as 5 different phrases, and it comes with a nice little utility for doing that loading. Here is the 10-button micro switch assembly that I built for the chest assembly. It's how I can access the different phrases. And this is the neon voice effect. It consists of 10 orange LEDs along with some polyester fill to help minimize hotspots. So let's go through and play these voices.
Current programming requires that I maintain this fixed position. In the event birds seek to steal from our garden, I am to scare them away.
That was one.
This information was revealed when Dr. Smith was dictating his memoirs to me a few months ago. It all goes back to Great Aunt Maud Smith, and started many, many long years ago. She was the matriarch of the Smith clan, rich, arrogant, untrustworthy, a true Smith. Her last will and testament provided that the sole surviving Smith would receive her entire fortune.
That was 2. Here's 3.
I refuse to give you any more information. It would be a betrayal. A question of loyalty is involved. It would mean informing on my own kind. Please excuse me.
4.
Thermogenetic unit. Adjust to the biological need of each imprisoned animal. From 300 degrees above zero to 150 degrees below zero.
5.
Where am I? Who turned out the lights? Now I remember. Which way did they go, partner?
That might be moved over to a separate function so that when I plug the power pack back in, that's the file you'd hear. Anyways, you can move these things around any way you want. 6.
Exactly. Launch plus 8 hours. Inertial guidance system. Destroy. Radio transmitter. Destroy. Cabin pressure control system. Destroy.
7.
Eliminate all unnecessary personnel at the earliest opportunity.
8.
I have computed Professor Robinson's condition and have arrived at certain conclusions. He is not mentally or physically ill. He is possessed by an alien spirit. The alien spirit has not yet gained full control of Professor Robinson, but time grows short. Unless some remedy is found, he will be completely taken over and lost forever.
9.
Data on the orbit of this planet. Outside temperature 104 below Fahrenheit. Correction. Outside temperature 98 degrees below zero and rising. Recommend you review data on Sun.
10.
I feel faint. My power supply is getting very weak. I think I better go lie down. I am only a machine. I am expendable.
Alright, that was just a demonstration. Those files can definitely be moved around for whatever my final preference is. So, anyways, for more information, just pop over to Hobby Talk and take a look at my thread. I'll talk to you later. Bye!